How to properly sell NFTs on OpenSea using MetaMask. Here's how to properly sell your NFTs on OpenSea using MetaMask. First, open your browser and go to OpenSea.io and then click the wallet icon in the top right and select MetaMask. Approve the connection when your MetaMask extension pops up. Once connected, click on your profile icon and choose Collected to view your NFTs. Select the NFT you want to sell. On the item page, click the blue sell button and now choose your sale type, fixed price or timed auction. For most users, fixed price is easier, so enter the price in ETH and set the duration. Then click complete listing. MetaMask will now ask for transaction approval, and if this is your first listing, you may need to approve your NFT collection and sign a few permissions. Just follow the prompts in MetaMask. Once done, your NFT will be live on OpenSea's marketplace and people will get to buy it. And that's it. Thanks for watching.